Welcome back. This is episode 4 of the Orvexa Getting Started series. The previous episodes covered receipts and invoices. This episode introduces a different mode, bank statement mode. Upload your bank statement and Orvexa automatically categorizes every transaction, then generates a real-time GST estimate. Let's get into it. From the main dashboard, click Try Free. This time on the document type screen, select Bank Statements. This mode is built specifically for bank statement processing. The AI logic is different from invoice mode, and it unlocks a set of features you won't see when processing invoices. Select Bank Statements and upload your file. Orvexa accepts PDFs only. All major Australian banks are supported, and multi-page PDF statements are handled automatically. You don't need to split them up before uploading. Once your file is uploaded, the session summary appears as usual. Review the credit cost, confirm, and run. Once processing is complete, every transaction in your statement is laid out and already categorized. Money in, income received from clients or other sources. Money out, payments made to suppliers or other expenses. This is the core function of bank statement mode. The AI does the categorization automatically, so you don't have to go through each transaction manually. Just as with invoices, if any transaction is miscategorized, you can correct it using edit mode. With the review done and changes saved, you're ready to export. Click Export to Excel. If you're on Growth or Scalable, the Excel export is included in your monthly quota, no extra credits required. Either way, the system will show you a cost confirmation before anything is deducted. There are no silent charges. Orvexa generates a structured bank statement transaction breakdown spreadsheet, all extracted fields, all your corrections, in a clean Excel format. This file is ready to send directly to your download file. After you have finished Excel, you can find the Ready to GST Automation button in the upper right corner or at the bottom of the page. Click it to enter the GST Automation page. This is the key feature unlocked by bank statement mode, the AI-generated GST estimate. You'll see 3 figures. First, the total GST collected. This is the GST you've received from your clients during the period. Second, the total GST paid. This is the GST you've paid to suppliers, the portion you can claim as an input tax credit. Third, your net GST position. This is the estimated amount you'd owe to the ATO, or the refund you may be entitled to, based on the data Orvexa has processed. An important note, this is an estimate based on the data in your uploaded statement. Always confirm the final figures with your accountant or bookkeeper before submitting any tax return. One thing to be aware of before you export. If you're on the pay-as-you-go plan, exporting the Excel GST breakdown costs an additional 4 credits on top of what was used for the extraction. If you're on Growth or Scalable, the Excel export is included in your monthly quota, no extra credits required. Either way, the system will show you a cost confirmation. There are no silent charges. Bank statement mode is particularly useful for 3 types of users. First, small business owners who want to understand their GST position before quarter end without waiting on their accountant. Second, bookkeepers who need to produce regular financial summaries for clients. Upload the statement, review the categorization, and the summary is ready. Third, new users looking for a quick way to test Orvexa on real data. Bank statements are often easier to prepare than a batch of invoices, and the GST estimate gives you an immediate, concrete result to evaluate. That's episode 4, Bank Statement Upload, Automatic Categorization, and Real-Time GST Estimation. In the next episode, we cover magic links, how to share your GST reports securely with your accountant or internal reviewers without giving them a login to your Orvexa account. Leave any questions in the comments. See you in episode 5.